Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 30th April 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father is teaching you in order to make you into the most elevated human beings. You are now changing from the most degraded humans into the most elevated ones. Deities are the most elevated humans. Question: what effort do you children make here that you won't make in the golden age? Answer: here, you make a great deal of effort to forget the consciousness of bodies and all bodily relations, to become soul conscious and renounce your bodies. In the golden age, you leave your bodies without effort whilst just sitting somewhere. At this time, you are making effort and practicing, I am a soul. You have to renounce this old world and your old bodies and take new ones. In the golden age, there is no need to practice this. Song is: the resident of the faraway land has once again come into this foreign land. Essence for Dharana. First is: just as Brahma Baba transferred everything he had without a thought and gave Shiv Baba full power over it, so follow the Father in the same way and accumulate an income for 21 births. Second is: practice having remembrance so that you remember nothing but the Father at the end. Nothing belongs to us, everything is Shiv Baba's. Simply remember Alpha and Beta. By having this awareness, you will pass and become part of the rosary of victory. Blessing for today. May you pay full attention to your mind and experience the ascending stage as a world transformer. Details are: now, in the final moments, you have to become an instrument for world transformation with your mind. Therefore, if you waste even one thought through with mind, you then lose a lot. Do not consider any one thought to be something ordinary. At present, any upheaval of thoughts is considered to be a huge upheaval, because the time has now changed and the speed of effort has to change. Therefore, a full stop is needed for your thoughts. When you pay this much attention to your thoughts, you will then be able to become a world transformer with your ascending stage. Slogan is: to experience yoga while performing actions means to be a karma yogi. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Remain constantly victorious with the awareness of the combined form. You and Father, while experiencing your combined form, constantly experience the world benefactor form with your good wishes, elevated feelings, elevated words, elevated vision and elevated actions. Then, you will be able to find a solution to all problems in a second. Constantly remember on slogan: neither will I be a problem nor will I fluctuate when I see any problem. I will remain an embodiment of solution myself and also give solution to others. This awareness will make you an embodiment of solutions.